Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Chatgpt Pro 5.2 for 2 years. So let's begin. Search for Chatgpt for Teacher and select this link. Then paste this link. I'll drop it in the description box. Select Create New Email or Account. Choose any name and select that domain. After that, copy the email, because we need it. Go back to Chatgpt tab and click on Get Verified. Then click Sign Up for free to create an account. Paste the email in this box and then type your password, save it, so don't forget it. Now, Chatgpt will send you a verification code. Go back to Email tab and copy and paste that code. After that, complete typing your account name and date of birth. In the address bar, keep chatgpt.com only and press Return button. There you have it. Free Chatgpt Pro 5.2.